Hi there, beautiful clients, and welcome to ITUNU City Residential Extension. If you missed out on ITUNU City and if you missed out on buying the extension when it was still selling at the pre-launch price, well, today I have decided that you know what, it's time to bring ITUNU extension back to you because you, my clients, are my favorite people in the entire world, and I would not do anything if it doesn't benefit you. Now, ITUNU City promises to host ARN Foods, who is also like a subsidiary of the very Tessyhomes company, and they plan to build the biggest rice mill in the entire nation. Now, this is one place that you shouldn't miss investing in because a plot of land here is for 35 million naira, and 300 square meter, which is half plot, is going for 21 million naira. And just like it is with every property that we bring to you, there's a flexible payment plan of 12 months. Now, remember that once the rice mill starts here, you're not going to be getting this property at the same price. So remember to hurry now, call the numbers on your screen because I don't need to tell you so much. This property is just very close to the road and it's just beside Amen Estate Phase 3. So this is a very good investment project. Make sure you call the numbers on your screen right now to book your own plot. I remain your girl Jennifer from Tessyhomes.